Hey crypto friends, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to show you some of the absolute best blockchain games to make money and passive income. So guys, if you are brand new to the channel and you think you might enjoy the content that I create in the future, then go ahead guys and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out, why not, right? And also guys, feel free to go ahead and follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading strategies, all kinds of good crypto shit on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow, you guys, because I'm only going to be here for the long term. So, all right, guys. So as far as blockchain games or play to earn passive income games are concerned, each of these games that I'm going to be showing you guys today, each one uses different mechanics to actually earn cryptocurrency, okay? Some of these games will require an initial investment up front, you guys, but others will also, some others are straight up just free to play as well. So just keep that in mind when I'm going through here, and I'll let you know which ones are free to play and which ones are, do require a little bit of an investment up front. Now, guys, if you're not familiar with play to earn games, these types of games typically allow users to create value through like in-game activity, and the rewards can be in the form of cryptocurrency, an NFT, or the value increase of an already purchased NFT or something like that. So overall, you guys, play to earn games do what traditional video games typically don't, which is they truly reward players for their efforts and the time spent in a game, which is why I personally truly believe that the whole blockchain gaming industry, or the blockchain gaming whole space, I truly think that the space is going to end up growing like absolute crazy in the future, especially when crypto ends up getting adopted by, more and more people in the long term. And the other thing you have to think about, you guys, is there's already right now, there's a lot of kids that play games on, their parents' phones and stuff like that. Well, why not play these games but be able to earn cryptocurrency while you're doing it as well? It's going to do this whole space is going to end up growing in the long-term future for sure, without a doubt. Now, guys, as far as, the games I'm going to be talking about today, I understand there are many great blockchain games out there. I mean, there really are. There's literally a shit ton of blockchain games out there. I can't even begin to tell you how many great games there are out there. But I specifically chose these specific 5 games based on overall funness. I don't even know if funness is a word, but whatever. Based on overall funness, the quality of the game, the user base of the game, and the potential earnings you can make, and its overall play-to-earn mechanics, you guys. So, guys, let's get to the very first game. So the very first game, you guys probably already know this. You guys probably already know exactly which one I'm going to be talking about here. So actually the first two, most people already know. But the very first one I'm going to talk about, you guys, is going to be Axie Infinity, okay? So Axie Infinity is by far one of the most popular, the absolute popular games developed on a blockchain so far. And at its peak, you guys, at its very peak so far, their marketplace was literally making millions of dollars every single day through their marketplace, literally on a daily basis, you guys. And Axies were selling literally for thousands of dollars each as well. Overall, the game focuses on breeding, as far as Axie Infinity is concerned, pretty much what you do is the game pretty much focuses on breeding and collecting these cute Axies and using them pretty much to explore the world of Lunatia, pretty much. And that's pretty much it. Overall, though, you guys, lastly, Axie is available on PC, Mac, and mobile devices, you guys, and it's built on Ethereum. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain, and it is free to play. It's absolutely free to play. So you'll have to, no, it's not free to play. My bad. I don't know why I said it is free to play. I've got a little confused there. My bad. I was thinking about another game that I'm going to be showing you in a couple minutes here, but this one is not free to play. You will have to end up buying you're going to have to buy an Axie ahead of time, okay? And you can do that through the marketplaces and stuff like that. So it's pretty simple to do. It's easy to get started and whatnot. But yeah, if you want to come check it out, just come over here to axieinfinity.com and, go ahead and check it out and, start playing, or go buy your Axie and get started. It's very easy, and you can definitely make some money here, you guys. But let's move on to the next game, you guys. So guys, the next game that I've got for you guys is actually called Gods Unchained. Okay, this one, a lot of people already know about this. I mean, a lot of people really do. This is a collectible fantasy and trading card play to earn type game that's also built on top of Ethereum. And guys, this one is actually free to play, okay? Meaning you don't need anything to actually play it, okay? Well, you do, but I'll get to that in a minute. But it is a free play to earn game, and it's easy to get started. And guys, it offers play to earn opportunities literally right off the gate as well, okay? And this game is also available on both PC and Mac as well, you guys. So let's go ahead and let me check out the market real quick. So if we go to the market, we can clearly see in the market. So obviously, you guys, they use Immutable X. You can buy different cards and stuff like that on Immutable X, as you can see here. And what's cool about Immutable X is they're very cheap gas fees as well. So I think that's why they've got them for sale on Immutable X and not someplace like OpenSea instead. Because obviously, everybody knows that gas fees on Ethereums are a huge pain in the ass. So, why not do it through Immutable X, which makes more sense. So, all right, guys. Now, guys, we are going to move to the next game that I've got for you guys. So the next game that I've got for you guys is going to be called Thedan Arena, okay? So let's go to Thedan Arena. So we got the Thedan Arena, all right? So this is actually a multiplayer online battle arena game, pretty much where anyone can play for free and enjoy, you guys. Basically how it works is the game uses NFTs to give players ownership over game characters and other certain items. And guys, it also features a free-to-play option without NFTs as well, so that's kind of cool too. And also, guys, in addition, just like Axie Infinity, the Thedan Arena has two tokens, okay? They've got the THC token, and then they've got the THG token, okay? And players can earn the Thedan coins, obviously the THC coins, through gameplay, and you can spend those coins on in-game NFTs as well, for example. Now, guys, as far as the other token, the Thedan Gem, or THG, this token serves as more of a governance type token, which also has a function to upgrade characters within the game as well. So that's pretty cool. And lastly, guys, the Thedan Arena is also available on both PC, Mac, and it's built on top of Binance's BNB chain as well. Now let's see if we can go ahead and check some images real quick. See if they've got any in-game images or anything like that. As you guys can see here, they've got the characters and whatnot. So yeah, there's a lot of people who really get into this kind of stuff, and I personally do as well. And I personally am betting, and I personally feel like I said earlier, guys, blockchain gaming is going to be growing a lot in the long-term future. I mean, especially if people can earn money while they're playing and stuff like that. That is a huge deal. That is such a huge deal. It's not even funny, you guys. Because everybody wants to earn money or extra money. So if they can do that with play-to-earn gaming, hey, why the hell not, right? So guys, let's move on to the next game. So the next game I've got for you guys today is going to be Splinterlands, right? Splinterlands is a free play-to-earn trading card game that actually started on the Steam blockchain as Steam Monsters originally, before they ended up ultimately switching to the Hive blockchain. But overall here, you guys, the game is played in the browser, which is nice because you don't have to really download anything. And guys, thanks to cross-chain functionality as well, cards and tokens can also be traded on the Ethereum blockchain and on Wax as well. So that's kind of cool also, you guys. And if any of you guys have used the Wax blockchain before at all, or have bought an NFT through the Wax blockchain, it's pretty simple and easy to do. It's very simple. It's very fast, and fees really aren't that expensive either. So that's nice. So guys, now let's see if we can see if there's any images for in-game here. I don't think there's many in-game. So obviously, they've got their cards and whatnot. But all right, so let's move on to the last game here. So guys, the last game I've got for you guys is called MEXC, okay? So this is MEXC, which is it's literally a player-to-player horse racing game, which offers several different ways to be involved in the game and its ecosystem. Players can literally buy NFT horses to race, breed, or they can rent them out to other players as well. And the game is built on Polygon too. And guys, this game is also available you can play it on PC, Mac, and mobile devices as well. So it's pretty darn cool, honestly, when you've got games like this where you can literally just buy the NFT, you can breed them, you can race them, and you can rent them out to other people. That is so darn cool. It's not even funny. And I know there's a lot of other blockchain gaming projects out there that are like this one as well. But I personally love these types because, these are the easiest to understand by most people, I think. And these are the easiest too, because I think people can relate to these with, stuff like renting out, like renting out houses or something like that. I guess you could say it's kind of like real estate in a way, but not really. If you get what I mean. But overall here, you guys, there's literally a ton of different blockchain games available these days. I mean, there really is. There's a ton of different blockchain games available these days, and not all are created equal, you guys. But, honestly, honestly, guys, these 5 that I just mentioned to you are literally some of the easiest blockchain gaming games to get started with. They really are. But overall, you guys, I feel I did a pretty good job explaining what I wanted to explain here. So I guess I'll go ahead and wrap this one up, you guys. So, but again, guys, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.